Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something a little different, a renewed iPhone 16 Plus. Specifically, the pink 128 gigabytes unlocked version from Amazon Renewed. Now, buying Renewed can be a fantastic way to save some cash, but it also comes with questions. So, let's unpack this gorgeous phone and see if this deal is as sweet as it sounds. Right off the bat, the packaging is generic as expected. No fancy Apple unboxing experience here. But honestly, that's fine. We're here for the phone, not the box. Inside, we have our iPhone 16 Plus in pink, and it looks fantastic. Remember, this phone has been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned by Amazon qualified suppliers. Holding it at arm's length, I'm really impressed. No visible cosmetic imperfections whatsoever. It genuinely looks like a brand new device. They also guarantee the battery health is above 80%, which is a huge plus. We'll definitely test that out in the coming days. The listing mentions that the accessories aren't original, but they are compatible and fully functional. Inside, we have a charging cable and power adapter. They feel sturdy enough, and they'll get the job done. Again, not a deal breaker for the price savings. Now, let's talk about the important stuff, the phone itself. It's running iOS 17, the latest operating system, which is super smooth and responsive. The 6.7-inch display is vibrant and crisp, perfect for watching videos or browsing social media. And with 128 gigabytes of storage, you'll have plenty of space for your photos, apps, and everything else. The fact that this iPhone 16 Plus is unlocked is a major advantage. It means you can use it with any carrier, giving you the flexibility to choose the best plan for your needs. This is especially useful if you travel internationally or like to switch carriers periodically. One of the biggest concerns with buying Renewed products is the warranty. But with Amazon Renewed, you get a 90-day replacement or refund guarantee. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong, you're covered. That's a pretty solid deal. Over the next few days, I'll be putting this iPhone 16 Plus through its paces. I'll test the camera, battery life, gaming performance, and everything in between. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that in-depth review. So, initial impressions? This renewed iPhone 16 Plus is looking like a fantastic option for anyone who wants a premium phone without the premium price tag. The pink color is stunning, the condition is impeccable, and a 90-day guarantee provides that extra layer of security. If you're on a budget but still crave the latest tech, definitely consider checking out Amazon Renewed. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this phone or the Amazon Renewed program. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.